So this says enterprise leaders questioning, AI first strategies actually address their core operational challenges. And what's going on within the public cloud computing space right now is obviously they're in business to make money, and to make money, they have to generate interest in their products, and to generate interest in their products, they have to kind of have at least the perception that they're staying ahead of the game. And so they're looking for AI technology, agentic, generative, traditional machine learning systems, for example, as ways in which they're going to motivate you to buy more of their services. Obviously, AI is tremendously expensive to run. It takes a lot of processing power, in some cases specialized processing like GPUs and TPUs. And so they're counting on that money. In order to do that, they have to basically start hyping the technology. That's why you see the focus on generative AI, agentic AI. AWS just announced their agentic AI stack for developing these systems. And we're seeing other cloud providers provide this as well. They're in essence kind of Me Too tick marks into the fact that, well, we're innovative too, and we're working on all of the cool stuff that all the other cloud providers are working on. And also the movement into AGI, which is artificial general intelligence, which is the idea that we're going to build artificial intelligence systems that are basically going to mimic human beings and have creativity and things like that. That movement is going on, and I'm seeing a lot of hype and promotion in the AGI space, mainly because it's providing a vision into what's next in terms of cloud computing. So they're all basically aiming to be the first one to the market with a significant AGI product, very much like generative AI, and something will be truly revolutionary. However, the path to AGI, I think, is a lot more difficult than the path to generative AI. And I'm going to address this in my other AI channel, but, check that out. But, ultimately, this is becoming a bit of vapor, and that's concerning to me, because if there's no real business value there, then the enterprises are the ones who are going to lose out. So the biggest concern is that cloud AI is cost prohibitive for many enterprises, and running AI workloads on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud often costs enterprises 3 to 5 times more than using, comparable on-premise hardware. And the sticker shock is causing many organizations to rethink large-scale AI adoption in the cloud. And we're seeing this movement in droves. There was a recent Deloitte article that came out that understands that we reach a certain level of scale with AI, it's going to be a much better value advantage to start running those AI workloads, training, inference workloads, things like that, on on-prem hardware.